Hi everyone, this is Lee Oreskovich at Custom Hearing Solutions in Omaha and Lincoln, Nebraska. A while ago we posted a video talking about how long hearing aid batteries should last, and people found a lot of value out of that. And we had some additional follow-up questions like, great, now I know how long hearing aid batteries last, how long should my actual hearing aid last? So we wanted to post a video and answer that question for you here today. So, years ago, there were two main reasons that people would move out of their old hearing aids into new hearing aids. And the first reason is it broke. It stopped working. So years and years and years ago, hearing aids were built with two pieces of plastic put together with some electronics inside of it. There wasn't much more science in it behind it than that. Well, fast forward to today, and now the FDA has gotten involved, and hearing aids have a IP68 rating. And what an IP68 rating is it says, how dust-proof and how waterproof is this? Let me tell you how waterproof hearing aids are nowadays. Waterproof hearing aids can be 3 feet underwater for 30 minutes and no water gets inside the hearing aid. That's pretty darn good. And what I tell patients a lot of times is if you're 3 feet underwater for 30 minutes, your problem isn't a hearing aid, right? All jokes aside, this is actually great news because jumping in the shower or being in a little sweat or getting caught in the rain isn't going to ruin the hearing aid. So we have patients nowadays that the life expectancy of the hearing aid can be a decade. So that's really, really great. Hearing aids can be an investment into your health. So you want to make sure you're getting good value out of that and know that we're going to get the biggest longevity out of that. Now, the other thing that would push patients out of hearing aids into new hearing aids is technology. Just like any technology we're working with nowadays, it updates really quickly. Whether it's a computer, whether it's a car, whether it's a television, doesn't matter. Even this phone that I'm recording this video on is updated all the time. So, hearing aids of yesteryear, you would get them 1 year, and the next year, they go bad. That's not the case anymore. Hearing aids now have computer chips inside of them just like your phone. So when patients get hearing aids from us today, we fit them with that hearing aid, but when their annual hearing exam comes up, we bring them in and we actually hook up to the hearing aid because what happens is in the time frame the manufacturer makes the computer chip, they figure out, wow, I can do so much more with that computer chip now than I could a year ago, and they give us software updates to put into the hearing aid. So a hearing aid that you got a year ago is better now than when you first got it. And there's no cost to that. So the two things that used to really push people out of hearing aids is number one, it would break, and number two, it would outdate really quickly. Those are gone. We don't have to worry about that anymore. So those are big reasons that we can keep people in hearing aids longer and longer and longer. And what's great is the price isn't going up on these hearing aids either. Because there's so much demand and so much volume for them, the price is staying constant for us. So if you've been thinking about getting your hearing checked and you go, gosh, I don't know if I want to make that leap into spending that kind of money every 3 or 4 years, which was used to be the common time frame, you need to get in and get a hearing exam and learn about this new technology. If you have current hearing aids and you go, I feel like mine aren't working quite like they need to, get in, schedule an appointment, let us do a hearing exam and check your hearing aids. Again, we work with all of the main manufacturers. Our goal isn't to fit you with new hearing aids. Our goal is to get you hearing better. So if you've got hearing aids that are 2 or 3 years old or even 1 year old and you're going, I think they could be better, you're probably right. Schedule your free appointment. Give us a call, we'll get you in here, and we'll see if we can get you going. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.